Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can get internet when you're going to be traveling in Vietnam, and also how you can get data when you're going to be traveling in Vietnam. So there are two ways how we can do it. The first way is that you would get to the store in Vietnam and get a physical SIM card, or what you can use is an international eSIM. That's something that I'm personally using when I'm traveling all the time, and that's something that I recommend for you too. And you can have a link down below in the description for it. So right here, you're going to have first one, the Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile is an eSIM provider, and I'm going to share with you the whole process how it works. So when you would use the link down below in the description with a discount, you're going to have here Vietnam, and just write that, Vietnam eSIM. And right here, you can choose between 3 GB, 5 GB, 10 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes of data. So let's say you're going to be there for up to 30 days and 10 gigabytes is going to be enough for you. So you would just press here activate now, and then you can choose for how many days you're going to be there. So let's say 15 days. You can have starting date and also discount from me, and the price is pretty good. So what I really like is that you can have the choose the day data plan will start. So you can choose the day before you're going to travel to the place, let's say, when you're going to be for 14 days in Vietnam. And what will happen then is that you're going to get a QR code to your email when you're going to purchase it. All you have to do is just scan it, activate it as an eSIM in your phone, and I made a full tutorial on how to do that. You're going to have a link down below in the description too for the tutorial. And then what will happen is that when you're going to activate it, you can just use it the SIM card. That's how simple it is. Of course, what you can do is go here to coverage and check the coverage right here, right? And you can find like, okay, where you're going to travel, and also like, okay, what is the coverage right there? So for example, if I would go to Greece, or in the future you want to go to Israel or somewhere, you're going to have it right here. So that's about it. And you can select Indonesia here, Malaysia, even Thailand and all of that. So this is the first way, and this is like the Taiwan. Now, another thing that you can do, and is really good, is that you can use Airalo. Airalo is similar company comparing to the Maya Mobile. And here when I'm going to write Vietnam, you're going to have the 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB of data, 20 GB, 10 GB, 5 GB. And similar to, it works the same way. You would click buy now. You can have a discount code down below in the description that you can apply the code, and you're good to go, and you can just easily use it. That's how simple it is, and you can even save money with the discount. And here you can just like scan the QR code and activate it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Definitely check if your phone is going to be eSIM compatible, and that's how it's done. Thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.